Unboxing. This is the unboxing video for the Feiyu SCORP Mini 3 Pro. Preparation. First, install the tripod. Put it on the table. Then unlock the roll axis motor lock. Unfold the axis arm, then lock it. Next, unlock the tilt axis, unfold the axis arm, and lock it. Power on. After balancing, press and hold either the stabilizer's power button or the remote handle's power button to turn it on. For the first power on balancing, please choose motor auto-tuning to adapt the motor strength. Install smartphone. First, unlock the tilt axis lock. Insert the cooling phone clamp into the slider as shown in the video. Once inserted, relock the tilt axis. After mounting the smartphone, you can switch between horizontal and vertical shooting by rotating the phone clamp. Smartphone balancing. First, unlock the roll axis motor lock. Check the direction in which the phone is tilting. If the phone tilts and drops to the right, it means the right side of the roll axis is too heavy. Unlock the roll axis arm lock. Move the roll axis arm in the opposite direction of the tilt. Adjust repeatedly until the phone stays balanced when you let go. Once balanced, the roll axis is properly adjusted. Then lock both the roll axis and the motor lock. Next, unlock the pan axis motor lock. Rotate the pan axis to one side and tilt the stabilizer forward. Watch your phone's rotation direction, then unlock the pan axis arm lock. Move the arm in the opposite direction of the phone's rotation. Adjust repeatedly. Until the phone remains steady when released. Then lock the pan axis motor lock and arm lock. The tilt axis does not require specific adjustment when mounting the phone. Now you can unlock the motor locks of the tilt, roll, and pan axis. Power on the stabilizer. It's ready to use. Horizontal camera installation. Before mounting the camera, make sure you have all the required accessories ready. Unlock the tilt axis lock. Pick up the mounting bracket and slide it into the tilt axis as shown in the video. Then lock the axis. Next, unlock the slider lock on the mounting bracket. Slide the slider into the bracket and pull it outward to create some space. Then lock it. Now, take the quick release plate and attach the camera mounting screw. Secure the quick release plate to the bottom of your camera and tighten the screw firmly. Unlock the quick release plate lock. Then slide the plate into the slider. Finally, lock the plate in place. Switching the camera to vertical mode. First, unlock the tilt axis arm lock. Then release the safety latch on the mounting bracket and lift the camera out. Unlock the slider lock. Remove the mounting bracket. Now, as shown in the video, slide the slider into the vertical slot on the tilt axis. Then lock it in place. Remote handle installation and removal. Before removing the remote handle, please press and hold the safety lock. Then slide the handle out diagonally downward. After it's removed, You can use the handle as the remote control, perfect for remote framing, shooting, and adjusting settings. To install the handle, please align it with a slot. Other buttons functions. The joystick on the handle controls the stabilizer's direction of movement. Press the M button to cycle through stabilizer modes. Even when the remote handle is removed, you can still switch modes by using the power or mode button on the stabilizer body. You can view the current stabilizer mode on the handle screen or check the status via the indicator light on the horizontal arm. Double press the power button to enter the sleep mode. Single press again to wake up. Double press the F1 button to enter vertical mode. The multifunction knob can control the rotation of different axes. Single press the multifunction knob can switch and control the corresponding axis. Long press the multifunction knob can switch along axis control, electronic focus, and external follow focus. Double press the trigger button to recenter the stabilizer. Triple press the trigger button to enter selfie mode. And then triple press again to exit selfie mode. Stabilizer mode's introduction. In lock mode, then pan, tilt, and roll axis are all locked. The camera lens always faces forward regardless of how you move the gimbal. In pan follow mode, only the pan axis follows your hand movement, and the tilt, roll axis remain locked. In this mode, both the pan and tilt axis follow your hand movement, while the roll axis stays locked. With the FPV, all the pan, tilt, and roll axis follow the direction of your hand movement. Cooling foam clamp. Make sure the stabilizer is powered off, then take out the power cable from the cooling foam clamp. Plug the cable into the UART port. Once your phone is mounted, the cooling feature is ready to use. FAQ. If the stabilizer motor power is too weak or enter sleep mode after powering on, please check the force of the adaptive motor after balancing. If the stabilizer gets stuck at a certain position during auto rotation, please check whether the pan axis is properly balanced. If the stabilizer motor power is too weak, try to retune the motor power. Thanks for watching.